Speechmaking is done, and now we go to the other ceremony. Now the individual class for the hour will be called. For the dignitaries as well as the high chiefs are in attendance. First question presented to Dr. Mrs. Sala. Some custom to first offer part of the ava to the gods for blessings, and then we pray for the blessings on the event. Yeah, avalele tua. Ya kamanuel kamomoyo Samoa Amerika. Beacha. Manuya. For other guests, once you are presented with a cup, it is customary to say a blessing before you take a sip. You do not have to drink the whole thing unless you want to.